Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 II or II, I'm not really sure. But today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings, which is right over here. And from here, scroll down to system. Tap advanced, reset options, and erase all data factory reset. Now you get a message that performing this will remove basically all the data from it, that including your Google account that you have added, apps, pictures, videos, whatever it is that you have on your device, and only the pre-installed apps will remain. So if you want to keep them, you might want to back it up. If you have done it or you don't want to keep it, tap delete all data, confirm it with a pattern if you have one set, which I do, and then again tap on delete all data. Now this process will take a couple of minutes, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.